Marking area for depth cut. Cutting the marked area. Preparing the base with concrete. Placing the bollards. Installing drainage pipes. Preparing drainage sump. Poured PCC concrete and installed L angles. Refilling with sand. Watering the area to remove air bubbles and for mud stiffness. Fixing and installing electrical pipes. Checking bollards after wiring. Fixing sensor poles. Fill and build concrete around bollards as speed breaker structure.